Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place your custom controls using the Xcode interface builder. So we're going to do a single view iPhone application, call it tutorial 9. Okay, so let's create our control. I'm going to call this UI circle view. It's going to extend UI view. Okay, just going to resolve that, add the Monotouch UI kit namespace. And I'm going to try to increase the font here so that you can see this better. Not having a good time. There we go. It's on a PC keyboard. It's Alt and then scroll. Okay. So we're going to register this class to the Objective-C runtime so Xcode can properly use the class or display instances of the class. So register, give it a name. I'm going to call it circle view. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to resolve this to Monotouch Foundation. Okay, I'm going to adjust this generated constructor so that it accepts a pointer. This is also necessary for Xcode to properly use your class. So int ptr handle Okay, now we're just going to make the UI view a bit different. So public override draw. We're going to draw a circle. So CG context, core graphics context. Okay, so RGB and then alpha. So I'm missing a B. Am I? Yeah. Now we're just going to draw a circle, fill ellipse in rect, use the rect passed into the draw method. I think that will do. So let's go into the Xcode interface builder. Going to open up this, I do believe the iPhone interface, yes it is. And we're going to drag a normal UI view onto the window here. Actually this is a view. So here we're going to drag our sub view in there. And we're going to change the background color so you can see it a bit better. Basically, you're not going to see the visuals of your code like how it actually is because it's not perfect at the moment, but you will have control over the rectangular region and its positioning ultimately, and that's what you want when building interfaces. You really don't need to see everything. And this is necessary because you may have a really elaborately constructed interface in Xcode interface builder and you want to continue using it and not have to place your stuff using code. Just makes it easier for yourself. Okay, so we got our basic UI view placed. Now we just got to make sure that the UI view is selected. Go to the inspector. Change the class name to the class name that you provided when registering your class to the Objective-C runtime. Auto completion will help you out with this, so in my case it's circle view. I'm just going to press enter to apply it. You'll notice that at the top here, in the hierarchy, it says circle view. Just make sure that it's been applied. Okay, so as you see, there's no circle applied, no circle effects applied to the control itself, but when you go to run the application, the circle will be there. I had to figure this out because I wanted to make my own rounded rectangle view, just so that I could have rounded rectangle buttons and stuff like that. And I still wanted to use the Xcode interface builder because I am a Visual Studio programmer. I really like the drag and drop environment. Okay, so as long as your class is deriving from something that derives from UI view, you'll be okay. So you can do UI button, still work out fine. You'll just have more properties and the control might behave a bit differently. And that's the only way I figured out how to use the drag and drop interface with your own controls. If you have a better way, then let me know. Post a comment. That's all there is to the video. See you later.